Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Go helmet. This is Shine. It's coming in black or white colors, featuring this little LED light in there as well. So we have some instructions. And there it is, pretty nice looking helmet. We've got the hard outside shell here. Some vent holes in the top so you don't get all hot and sweaty. Comes the USB cord so we can charge up our batteries there. And that's cool. So it just has this twisting thing on the back here. You just twist it to snug it down and loosen it. That's really nice. And also a nice chin strap here. So let's check this out. How do we turn this light on? So the lights here have pretty bright light on the front. Visibility is quite important. You can have it flashing also, and fast flashing, slow flashing, just the back one on and not the front, and just off. So we got 4 different modes there, so that's cool. Let's check out how comfortable this is. Like how this strap is on the side, and underneath it's nice and comfortable. Let's tighten that thing down. All right, that's pretty cool. Gets it kind of snug on top, and then where's the bottom part? I can't see here. Let me see where it is so I can make it tighter there. Oh, probably this loop right here would be my guess. Oh, yep. So we can tighten it down with that. Let's loosen this up again. That was nice, it kind of just snugged it down on there. Okay, here we are. And where was that? There it is, the little strap right there. We can pull that tighter, just like that, and tighten it down with that. So I like how the button in the back is really accessible, easy to find, and we can see that it's going to give you quite a bit of visibility when you're riding your scooter or your bike or whatever. Pretty sweet little helmet, actually, kind of comfortable. Protect your noggin. Anyways, I'm pretty impressed. I'm not sure how long this light on here lasts for, but since it is LED, probably quite a while. Let's see where it is to charge this thing. Loosen up the back there. Pop our helmet off. Okay, just right here in the bottom, conveniently located, is that. So yeah, decent brightness actually. Pretty impressed. Like the helmet, my friends. It's always good to stay safe. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.